So we got magnets stacking strength. They will increase each other's strength. Two magnets will be slightly less than twice as strong as one magnet. Because of the entanglement factor, they stack strengths. Each magnet on the chain is equal to the sum of all the magnets on the chain. There is no weak link in a magnet chain. This is well-known physics. I don't care what Lee says. He doesn't know physics. Humans have a magnetic field. We're about a billionth of the Earth's magnetic field, says right down here. But as you can see, Earth has a magnet field the same as yours. You bring it to the same frequency, you'll inherit her strength, she will inherit yours. And you will become shield number 2. Why would we need shield 2, 3, 7, 10,000? Because we're fixing to have a nova event. We live in a 3-sun system. That sun that used to be yellow, that's now burning white, is doing so because it is interacting with the red sun that is behind it. His name is Horus. We don't talk about him much because you can't really see him or the effects of him. Everything is in the daytime. Ra is the one that's behind us. He's a blue sun. The red sun seems to be the one that fights with Set. It's changing the way the sun is burning because that's what they do. Look in NASA Hubble data and you'll go and look at multiple sun systems and see what happens when another sun comes close to another one. The one starts burning hot and the other one starts sucking its energy off. That's what's happening to our sun right now. Evident here. This is our North Pole. It is exactly where it should be. However, you've got clockwise rotation here, bigger than our North Pole. You have a clockwise inside a clockwise here. One there, one there. We have another one here and another one here. People, these shouldn't be on the North Hemisphere ever. And if you watch the moon, it's rolling because we tilted onto our side. Did our spin change? No, never changed. Did the Earth's core stop? No, Mother's heart's just fine. We are being influenced by a sun that tilted us 10 years ago. This was a very small swirl, more like this one, inside the big one. 10 years ago, 12 years ago, in October 2010, when we tilted to our side. It has grown bigger and stronger every year. Now we have a few of them because those planets behind us at night that you can see with your own eyes. If you're not laying around drunk on your back like Orion doing a fucking cartwheel with the man in the moon. Orion will rise on his back and set on his face. He should never do that. The moon will fucking rise with Tycho at about 4 on the dial, 4 o'clock. It should never be at 4 o'clock. Tycho crater should never be outside of 6:30 to 9 o'clock on the northern hemisphere's fucking moon face. And every night it rises at about 4 o'clock. And then it'll rotate all the way around to about 11 o'clock by the time it sets. Tycho crater is rolling around the face of the moon and should not be. All you have to do is look at the fucking thing. Southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere. These storms here, and here have been sitting here for 12 months, for a full year. Go back and look on my fucking video page. I told you they wouldn't move. They're still in the same position they've been. And look how much stronger they are. Because I said they will do nothing but get stronger and bigger. And they have done nothing but get stronger and bigger over the last year. I'm not wrong. I've been proven again right by a full year of this. So, time-stamped on this very page. I'm not wrong. Lee is a fucking liar. Lee goes out and makes fucking videos of pasting a fucking moon, trying to show its orbit, talking about how Tycho crater is never at the top of the moon, when you can see it every morning, every night, every time it sets. The fucking Tycho is at the top of the goddamn moon. Every time it rises, it is also well out of where it should be. I've covered this several dozen different fucking videos on here, showing you what NASA says, what navigational people say, what the BBC says about Tycho fucking crater. Now, if you want to know what's going on, this channel is going to require you to go and do your fucking homework. Open your eyes, read a book. Don't listen to my crazy words. Go observe. We've been tilted onto our side by these massive magnetic influences. And it's our job to be the difference here. Your Bible states that you're a steward and protector of all life. There's one way you can do that. Be meek, and you will inherit Earth's strength. Earth is first creation. She's a living being. She's not a dead rock with googly eyes glued on top of her fucking head. My Creator is way more vast, expansive, and amazing than a fucking snow globe painter.